Hello everyone, I'm here to teach you today how to import templates into CapCut. Open the project file first. Then there are templates. Just right-click on this template. Press copy. Open your CapCut. Upper right corner here, settings. Click on it. Settings, click again. Click Save to. Then right-click on this folder and paste it. You will see the folder you just copied appear here. Then press Cancel. Cancel again. Turn off CapCut and reopen it again. You will see that template has been imported. After clicking it, there is already this already edited video. We downloaded some images from the commercially available copyright-free website by ourselves. We directly imported the downloaded materials. Drag them all in. If you want to replace them, just like this, pull this image material into the original picture. Pull it directly in and press Replace. Same as the second picture, and so on. These can be adjusted in detail. This is our previous subtitle. If you want to adjust it, change the text directly here. Then it has already set it up directly, which is very convenient. The video can also be changed, just pull it in and replace the clip so you can apply it.